What?
Can we shovel now?
Sure.
Gotta get back to WoW, man.
Let's do it. Nathan, now, okay, now do the shutter speed thing.
I don't even know what that does.
And it's really cool. I'll show you. Go on, I'll hook this up to the TV. All right, now we're in 1080p and 60 frames a second, like 1,000. Just, it's so bright. I had to turn up the shutter speed. So we're going to try to shovel a little bit. Okay, now here we go. Oh, we finally made it down the stairs.
Yeah.
Where is it? Up to you.
Above my knee.
Let's bring it up here. Let's get a good gauge on it.
That's about there.
That's-
2 feet?
Oh, just about 2 foot. That's like
Yeah.
24 inches. 24 inches of snow. I mean, look at this. You're going down there and stand there, man. That's a lot of snow.
Plus, I'm like the tallest guy on the street.
A lot of snow. Here's Mom in the snow. High definition. All right, Nathan's going to jump into the snow. You got to count down, Nate, okay? The big snow bank right in front of our house. If you guys are lucky, I'll do it too. Here we go, Nate. It's time to nut up or shut up.
3, 2, 1.
Where is he? All right, we gotta build it back up because I want to go.
Okay.
All right, Nate, come on, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Hold on, and come on, get out. You can do it. I have faith in you.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
It's like a bear coming out of
We're gonna
hibernation.
shovel again now.
Huh? I don't care. Look at you, Nathan. Shake off. Brrr. Nice. Oh, I wasn't recording. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
I'd love to do that again.
All right, I'm going to attempt to Macho Man Randy Savage elbow drop that snow right there. All right, here we go. Zoom out. Zoomed out. It's a lot higher from up here. Yeah, it is. Give me a countdown. 3, 2. My legs are gonna hit first. That's just how I. Nick, just do it. That's what I do. Just go. 1.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, it's. Why do you think I asked for your help out last time?
My legs are like in a horizontal.
Yeah. Come on, Nick. You can do it. That's right. Seizure out of it, Nick.
Seizure. Okay, here we go.
Okay, now try and get out of it so we don't have to shovel again.
Okay, I will try. I will try.
Yeah, now I know what you meant by your fingers are numb.
Ah. Oh, jeez. Okay. Yeah, I'm cold. There's ice and snow in my glove.
And look at your pants. You have massive acid wash.
Ah, there's snow in my crotch.
Shake it off.
Yeah.
I'm still can't get over your pants.
Here, come on. Yeah.
Zoom in. Yeah.
YouTube is awesome. Snow's great. Let's go inside and get a shower.
All right.